So today I'm going to teach you how to make this artwork in your Procreate within less than 10 minutes. So let's go. First, I'm using the hard airbrush. Now I'm selecting this random colors. You can select what color you want. So I'm selecting this blue. I'm just creating one line like this. Just hold it there so it will become straight like this, like this. So you have to make a couple of lines like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, just need to have some random lines. I'm going to change the color. I'm using a little bit orange here. I'm doing the same thing, just making some lines. Also, I'm trying to add one more variation of color. Let's go for light green. I'm just trying to fill this white gap in between these lines. So you can use as much color you want. It's your freedom. Let's change the color again. Let's go for this yellow. So now you have created like a kind of a rainbow, and that's what you're going to do. Take Liquify. Just select this option. Change the brush size. Just do the wiggle like this. You can change the brush size here. So you will get the random texture here. As you can see, here also you just need to So as you can see right now, so we made this really beautiful texture. So it's really easy actually. You can just make this one within like 5 to 10 minutes, and you can change the colors. You can do as much variation you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the